Thank you so much for joining. Let me know where you're watching Claudia Works from. Kindly let me know where you're watching me from. Let me know where you're watching me from. Thank you for joining, guys. Let me know where you're watching me from. Comment on the comment. Let me know where you're watching Claudia Works from. Let me know where you're watching me from. Comment down below. Hi. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. Let's wait for others to join also. Let's wait for others to join. Let's wait for others to join. We wait for others to join. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for joining. We have just started the live, so comment below where you're watching me from so that I can recognize those who are watching. Comment down below where you're watching me from. Share with your friends. Tell them that we are live. As we wait for others to join, let me know where you're watching from. Haja Kamida, hi, how are you doing and where are you watching me from? Karibu sana. Welcome Philatom Baguma Abdallah. Thank you so much for joining. Where are you watching me from? Where are you watching me from? Welcome. This is home. This is where you belong. Purity. Hi, my love. Thank you so much for joining. How are you, Purity? Where are you watching Claudia Works from? Just comment where you're watching me from. Comment where you're watching me from. Aha. Hayana, I am from Kenya. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much, my love. Thank you so much, my love, and welcome to today's live. Welcome to today's live. Give the video a like and also subscribe if it's your first time. If it's your first time, like and subscribe. It's free. Subscribing, it's free. I am also in Kenya, Africa. I am also in Kenya, Africa. Those who are joining, kindly like, subscribe, and also share with your friends. Let me know where you're watching from. Let me know where you're watching from. And also subscribe if it's your first time. If it's your first time, kindly subscribe. Thank you. Thank you so much for the love. Thank you so much. We have just started. We are waiting others to join. I know today I've started the live earlier. I was supposed to go live at around 8:30 and I started at, let's say, like 5 minutes ago at home now in Bushenyi town. Where's Bushenyi town? Where is that Bushenyi town, my dear? Where is Bushenyi town? Where is Bushenyi town? Perfect dude. Hi. Thank you so much. Like the live and subscribe if it's your first time. Yes, as we wait for others to join so that we can start the live. I had promised you yesterday that we are going live at around 8:30, but I've just started like 5 minutes ago, so you are just on time. I am in Machakos County. Oh, Machakos County, where? I am also from Machakos County. Machakos County, where exactly? Bushenyi district. Oh, that's good. And pleasure to meet you here. So nice to meet you here. Like, subscribe if it's your first time, eh? Like and subscribe if it's your first time. Like and subscribe if it's your first time. In Sabaki. Hapa tu Sabaki. I thought uko Machakos town. I thought you're from Machakos town. So ni hapa Sabaki tu. Si mbali. Johannes. Hi, beautiful Queen of Africa. God, you and your family enjoy your day. Love you. Thank you so much. I appreciate you for joining today's live. Thank you so much for the blessings. May God bless you too. And welcome to today's live. Like, subscribe, and also share with your friends. So yes, I thought you were in Machakos town because that's where I come from. Nick, hi sugar. Hi honey. Thank you so much for joining. How are you, darling? I am okay. What about you, my love? How about you? Thank you. Thank you so much, Nick. Thank you so much, Nick. I appreciate. If it's your first time, kindly like and subscribe. Share with your friends. Tell them to your live. Tell them that we are live today. Like, guys, like and subscribe if it's your first time. Yes. Let me sit well. I don't want to skip someone's comments, so I need to keep them open here so that I can know who is commenting. I am right too. I'm glad that you are okay. I am also okay. Today is on Saturday. I know most of people are doing shopping. Those who are outside, maybe Kenya. So yes, and I know they will be joining later at around 8:30. Still early. Still early. Yes, ask me any question, guys, before we start. Also, give me the topic that you want us to discuss. Give me a topic that you want us to discuss. Any topic that you want us to discuss. You know you are the most beautiful woman I have ever seen in life. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much, my love. Thank you so much, my love. I appreciate a lot. Ayana, thank you. Thank you so much. You guys go and follow me on my Instagram account. I am Claudia Walks. Same name here. I'm Claudia Walks. Go follow me there. I appreciate a lot. Kawaiguri Lan. Your name. Hi, my love. Thank you so much for joining today's live. Thank you. Like and subscribe if you're watching Claudia Walks for the first time. Grigi, hi. Today you are on time. Thank you. Thank you so much. Like the live. Of course. I appreciate a lot. Honestly, I appreciate a lot. I didn't know. I didn't know, but you guys, you're making me happy. You're making me feel special, and I appreciate. So, guys, give me a topic that you want us to discuss today, and also maybe if not topic, you just have to ask me questions. If not so, we just vibe and end the weekend in a style. Okay, where do you live it? Like, where do I live? I live in Kenya, Africa. I am in Kenya. Don't forget South Africa and Kenya, South Africa, brother and sister. Enjoy your day. Thank you so much. I won't forget you. You can see your flower is there on the comment. Your flower, not the comment or the description. Your flower is there. I will support you till the end. Thank you. Thank you so much, my love. I appreciate. Thank you so much. Today we are 14. Can we get to 14 likes? We are 14 now. We've just started the live. We are 14 people. Can we get to 14 likes? We are 14. Can we get to 14 likes, guys? Can we get to 14 likes? Don't know if I should wear this thing because of braiding. Yes, now I can see your comments very well. Now I can see your comments very, very well. You look good. Thank you. Thank you so much, my love. Thank you so much. Have you subscribed? Have you liked the live? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Let's continue liking and subscribing. If it's your first time, karibu sana, feel at home. If it's your first time, karibu sana, feel at home. Okay? Karibu sana, feel at. Thank you so much for those who are joining, subscribe, and also like. We are 16. Let's get to 16 likes, okay? So I said that you guys, you ask me questions, you give me a topic that you want us to discuss today. I said that I won't come here to give out a topic that we will discuss. No. What we'll do when I'm going live, you will be asking me questions, and then you will giving me a topic to discuss, and also about the topics I want you to know. I'll be posting on my videos, not here on the live. Tomorrow is your hair. Tomorrow is your hair like good, but today, what do you mean? I just removed the hair I had yesterday. What I did, I removed the hair I had, the style, the whatever. Yes. Can you remove your glass? It's okay. I've removed. I'm sorry. I've removed. I've removed them. Thank you. Thank you so much. I know you want to see me clear. I know you guys, you want to see me clear. Thank you so much. I've removed them. You want to see my eyes? Thank you. So I removed my hair today after work. I removed my hair today after work. So this is the new me now. This is the new me now. And thank you, thank you. How are you told? What do you mean by told? Who told me to remove it? It's me and myself. It has stayed there for 2 weeks. I don't stay with my hair at my head for more than 2 weeks. Once 2 weeks are over, I don't want that hair anymore. Why? I'm that sensitive. I don't know how like I feel. You look very cute in long hairstyle. This one or the other one for yesterday. 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 Let me know. Let me know. I will lawyer. I understand why I find chocolate so delicious. Why? Why I will lawyer? Thank you so much for joining, my love. Hey, today you are so early. We started the live like 20 minutes before the normal live. I need to. What do you need to do? What do you need to do, my dear? Let me know what you want us to do, man. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Please, long hairstyle tomorrow. Me, I don't have long hair. Me, I'm not from India. Me, not from India. I'm not from India, so me, I don't have that long hair. Not unless I do the braids, of which I don't want the braids anymore. I need to keep my natural hair, and it's not that long. Once it's long, I normally cut it short. Once it's long, I normally cut it short. I don't like long things. Long things, no long things. No long things, okay? No long things. No long things. Thank you so much for those who are joining. Karibuni sana. Like the live and subscribe if it's your first time. Like and subscribe if it's your first time. Yes, me, I don't have a long hair. I don't have any long hair. Hair. Yeah. So I like keeping it short. Yes. Any other question? Any topic you want us to discuss? Claudia, this is the consequences of saying your audience are your husbands. They are telling you which hairstyle they like a husband. But the problem is, let me tell you one thing. I have to do I have to do what I want because yes, they are my husbands, but they are not funding anything. I'm doing my hair on my own, my nails, everything on my own. But still you are my husbands, okay? Still you are my husbands. And next time, don't make me pay any bill by myself. We have Espido Spicondong. Hi, that name is so hard to pronounce. Hi, my love. Thank you so much for joining. Isufugombi. Hi, thank you so much for joining. How are you? And where are you watching Claudia Walks from? Where are you watching me from? Where are you watching me from? Have you liked? Have you subscribed? Where are you watching Claudia Walks from? Where are you watching me from? Love. Thank you so much, my love, for joining. Yes, you are my love, my darling, my everything. As long as you are here, you are my everything, okay? Yes, sweet. Thank you. Thank you so much, honey. Comment down below where you're watching me from. You probably understand English. How you are English so good? Because that was our subject in school, and most of the time we use English here and Swahili. English and Kiswahili is one of the official languages here in Kenya. Official languages here in Kenya, Swahili and English. And it's compulsory in school. Very, very compulsory in school. Subscribe, guys, if you're watching this for the first time. Very compulsory in school. Okay? Those subjects are very, very compulsory in school. So sometimes you learn in school, sometimes you learn in the streets. So we have to learn everywhere. Everywhere Swahili, everywhere English. Okay? Something we learn in school and also on the streets. Hakuna matata from Ethiopia. Thank you so much. Kenya hakuna matata. Kenya hakuna matata. You not know. I don't know Hindi, my love. I don't know Hindi. We have Bailaduganda. Not Ronald. Hi, Ronald. How are you doing? Thank you so much for joining. Samuel. Hi, my love. Thank you so much for joining. Like and subscribe if it's your first time. So today, let's subscribe. Today, we are just subscribing them. Let's subscribe today. Today, let's get to 5,000 subscribers, okay? We are at 48 something. Let me see, we are at 48 what? Let me see, today we are at what? So that we can start from there. If you are watching and you have not subscribed, let's subscribe. Today, we'll be getting to 5,000. Today, we'll be getting to 5,000 subscribers, eh? And subscribing, it's free. You guys, can we get to 5,000 subscribers today? At least we had the wicked in our style. How are you in Swahili? Tell me. Uko aje? Uko aje? That is Swahili now. Uko aje? Kenneth Kipchiri. Hi, good evening again. Praise God. Praise God. Amen. Good evening to you. How are you doing, Kenneth? How are you, my love? Thank you so much. My name is from India. Okay, Griji. Your name me understand English. Men don't understand your English. Men don't pronounce your name correctly. Me, I can't pronounce that name because it's hard for me, but I know you are Griji from India. Today we are getting to 5,000 subscribers. and we are at 4839. So if you're watching this live and you have not subscribed, please subscribe. I love you in Swahili. Nakupenda. Nakupenda. I love you. I love you. Nakupenda. I am fine, and you, Barbie? I am okay. I am okay, Kenneth. Uko haje? Niko poa, Moses. Moses, niko poa. Na wewe uko aje? Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Niko sawa. So, I love you in Swahili, we say nakupenda. Can I type it down? If you allow me to type it down, I'll type. Guys, subscribe if it's your first time. We have Lewis. Hi, my love. Thank you so much for joining. Let's continue liking and subscribing. If it's your first time, welcome. Like and subscribe. We are at 4840 now. We are at 4840, and we are aiming at how many subscribers? We are aiming at 5,000 subscribers today. Geoffrey, good evening, sister. How are you doing? I'm happy to see you. Good evening to you. I am happy to see you too, and thank you so much for joining. I am also happy to see you here today. Yes, our aim here is to get to 5,000 subscribers today, tonight. We are at 4840. 4840. So we need around 160 subscribers tonight. You are very good human. Thank you so much. You are also a good human. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So today we are just subscribing. We are targeting 5,000 subscribers. So if you're watching this video and you have not subscribed, please subscribe. It's free. Please subscribe. It's free. Getting to 5,000 subscribers, and we are at 4840. How is Kenya? Kenya is so good. It's so good. We are blessed. We thank God. Though it's very hot. It's hot. 10:58 p.m. in India. It's 2029 in Kenya, Africa. Those who are joining for the first time, kindly subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend that we are live. Yes. Subscribe. Okay. Let's subscribe. Imagine you are watching this video, you are not subscribing, and you can see from the thumbnail and the caption. Don't miss this. Don't miss to subscribe. Don't miss to subscribe. Can you subscribe? Also, if you have any question, you can ask me. Okay? And tomorrow I will be dropping a video. Tomorrow I will be dropping a video. Tomorrow dropping a video. Tomorrow I am dropping a very, very good and a nice video. So you better come and watch. You better come and watch it. Better come and do what? And watch it. Would like to meet you somewhere. I would like to meet you somewhere. Come meet me. I'm in Kenya. I am here in Kenya and available on weekends only. Here in Kenya right now it's hot. The weather is hot. Jeremiah, niaje mrembo? Poa sana, uko aje? Karibu sana, nafurahia kukuona. Nafurahia kukuona, karibu sana. Subscribe if it's your first time. Welcome to the family. This is a big family and we are trying to grow it to be more big. We are trying to make it more bigger and better. The family is growing. Uko aje Jeremiah wewe? Na unanitazama kutoka pande gani ya Kenya? Unanitazama kutoka pande gani ya Kenya? Nakuru. Nakuru, it's so nice. Nakuru, it's the cleanest town here in Kenya. It's so nice place. It's a nice town. I like Nakuru so much. I've been there several times and I can't wait to come again this year. We normally go to Nakuru for road trips. Road trips. When you feel like you are bored in Nairobi, moja kwa moja. Moja kwa moja hadi Nakuru ama Naivasha. Thank you. Thank you so much, Jeremiah. Let's continue liking and subscribing. Those who are watching for the first time, kindly subscribe too. Watching for the first time, kindly subscribe too. We have Venus Bingo. Hi, my love. Thank you so much for joining. We have Maditro. Hi, Simon. Hi, dear. Thank you so much for joining. Hello. Karibu sana. Feel at home. Feel at home. If it's your first time, subscribe. Imagine ukijoin hapa na subscribe. 90 is free. It's free. Let's get to 5,000 subscribers, man. Let's get to 5,000 subscribers. 5,000 subscribers. $5,000 subscribers only. Only 5,000 subscribers. Any question? Any topic you want us to discuss? Pin location yako. Mimi niko Nairobi. My dear. I am in Nairobi. And from Nairobi to Nakuru, is it 1 hour, that minutes, or 2 hours? Somewhere there, depending on the speed. Some kisses. Thank you. How does it feel to be this gorgeous? I always feel good, honestly. I know I am very beautiful. I thank God. And I thank my parents too. I always feel good, and I have that confidence in me. I'm that courageous woman because I know I am beautiful and yes, and wonderfully made. Okay? Where are you from? I'm from Kenya. I always feel good, by the way. You tell me, how do you feel having a beautiful woman like me? How do you feel? You guys, you my husband, how do you feel having a beautiful woman like me? Wow, amazing, Carl. Oh, thank you so much. Subscribe. Let's continue subscribing if it's your first time. Tell your parents I want to come and tap into their family tree. Come and join them. Come and join them. One of the best thing I have is my parents, and I thank God for them. Though they are tough, I've been raised by tough parents. That's why I am the way I am. So disciplined woman, because they raised me well, but they are so good. I have the best of the best parents ever. I feel like I am done with what? You have subscribed? You have liked the live? Let's continue liking and subscribing. If you're watching for the first time, welcome. If you're watching for the first time, welcome. Let's continue subscribing. Another question? Another question, guys, you want to ask me? Those who are liking, thank you. Feel blessed. Desert Channel Explorer, 20 likes, done. Thank you. And also share with your hey, I was like, share with your parents. Share with your friends. They should be proud of themselves. Definitely they are. They are proud of not only me alone, but my other siblings. I have siblings. I have other siblings. Good night. Thank you so much. Hey, today you are going to sleep happy, Jeremiah. To sleep early, Jeremiah. It's too early. Caleb, hi my love. How are you doing? Thank you so much for joining. Are you married or not, sweetheart? Let me tell you. I'm a lawyer. Tell them if I am married or not. Tell them if I am married or not. You have been here watching my videos. Tell them if I am married or not. Tell them if I am married or not. How is the weather there in Kenya? Right now, the weather is just not. It's hot, but not that hot. It's hot, but not that too much hot. Esufugombi, hi my love. Thank you so much for joining. Welcome. Mambo Oma bwana. Oh, pole. Just boil ginger, garlic, and lemon and drink. You will be wake up tomorrow. You okay? I'm good. I'm happy to hear that you are okay. We have me. Thank you so much for joining. We have the temperature. Temperature is okay. Temperature is okay. Yeah, temperature is okay, not bad. Thank you so much for joining. Welcome. Like and subscribe if it's your first time. Like and subscribe if it's your first time. Yes, let's continue liking and subscribing. I don't want to skip anyone's comment. Bobby, me, I don't know what you mean. I can only understand English. I personally, I can only understand English. I can only understand English, my dear. English only. English only. That is the only language I can understand. Right now, another language? No. Only Swahili, English, and Kamba. Nice, super, my people. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my dear. Thank you so much. Jeremiah, I'm sorry to hear that you're having a flu. Get well soon. Get well soon. Get well soon. Get well soon. And thank you so much. Thank you so much for the love, for the support. You are so amazing, guys. 1 to 5 where I am. Okay, not bad. Just keep yourself warm. Keep yourself warm. Keep yourself warm. Another question? Any other question? Ask any question, give us the topic that you would love us to discuss. Any topic that you would love us to discuss. Or we just stay here interacting, okay? Or we just stay here interacting. You comment, I answer, okay? You comment, I answer. You comment, I answer. Those who are joining, karibuni sana. Like the live and subscribe. Those who are joining, thank you. Subscribe if it's your first time. Yes. Any comment I am skipping? No. If I skip your comment, just let me know. Hi James, thank you so much for joining. If it's your first time, welcome and subscribe. If it's your first time, welcome and also subscribe. It's free. If it's your first time, welcome, subscribe. It is free. I have been waiting for you for a lot. Dabu, because I've been waiting you for a long time. I've been here for the last 30 minutes, my love. I've been here for the last 30 minutes. I've been here for the last 30 minutes, my dear. Like the live. And those who are joining, thank you. Thank you so much. Subscribe. Feel at home. We are trying to build this family. This small family of ours. I've been here the last 30 minutes. Yes. So let me know. Also, guys, as you come, where are you watching me from? Can you see your flower? If you don't see your flower, let me know, so that tomorrow I don't forget. If you can't see your flower, if you cannot see your flower, comment down below so that tomorrow I had it. Not tomorrow, Monday. Tomorrow we are not going to have a live. Tomorrow I need to rest. Tomorrow I would love to rest. Yes, tomorrow is on Sunday, so my sleeping day. If you give me the flight tickets, I will visit. If you give me the flight tickets, I'll visit. Traveling is very expensive. For you those who don't know, traveling is very, very expensive. Very expensive. You give me tickets, me come India. Tickets, me come India. Yes, that is it. Mm-hmm. Me come India. Flight tickets. Me come India. Yes, that is it. Because some people think that going to some countries, remember I'm using my own cash. You want me to come there, and maybe the videos that I'm gonna make in your country, they won't pay me even there the money I've already used. You see, I'm in China now. Oh, thank you so much, Jacob. What are you doing in China? Are you from China? What are you doing in China now? Oh, you're from China. Those who are joining, thank you. Those who are joining, thank you. Welcome, and also subscribe if it's your first time. If it's your first time, subscribe. Subscribe. Tanda. Tanda da 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 da. This flight ticket is not expensive. Yes, for you it's not expensive, and that's why I'm saying that if you want me to come there, send me the flight ticket, I'll come. Yeah, tickets expensive. Yeah, ticket expensive. Coming to India. Thank you for those who are joining. Thank you for those who are joining. Subscribe, share with your friends, tell them we are live. I know today people are out for shopping, so yes, we'll talk to the ones. Only 15,000 only. Is it Kenyan money or Indian rupees? Your currency or our currency? Your currency or our currency? Let me check. India rupee. Flight from Kenya to India. Kenya to India. Let me check. I'm still checking. Tofaramoyo, hi beautiful. Hi my love. How are you doing, and welcome. If it's your first time, kindly subscribe. It's 71,000. It's 71,000. Nikasio Musira. Hi. Thank you so much for joining. It's one-way ticket. It's 70,000 Kenyan shillings. So we want to convert that 70 Kenyan. That is one way only. 70,000 INR. That is in 10 rupees to Kenyan shillings. I'm trying to convert. I am trying to convert to see how expensive it is. That is around 98,000. 98,000 Kenyan shillings, okay? Then that is one way. Round trip, it will be around 196,000. You multiply by 2. And maybe the flight ticket to come back, maybe it might be expensive. So it's 196,000. Now add the accommodation, add the transfers, and add the food. That is enough. It's a whole acre here in the village. Yes, I'm talking in Kenyan shillings. So wait. I'm talking in Kenyan shillings. Or we do like this. Wait. It will be just the same. Just the same. So coming to India, it will cost me more than 300,000. Which maybe I can get even a half an acre in the village. But if you pay for me everything, I'll come to India. I will visit your country. I'll visit your country. Thank you for those who are subscribing. Thank you for those who are subscribing. We are somewhere. We are somewhere. Hi, Black and Beauty. Hi, my love. Thank you so much. That is Tayo. Where are you watching Claudia Walks from? Where are you watching Claudia Walks from? So, guys, just don't know. I don't know how. If you know, I don't know if you know how expensive traveling is. Hello, how are you, my friend? That is Musa. I am okay, my love. And thank you so much. Thank you so much. Nigeria. Oh, thank you so much and welcome. You're watching me from Nigeria. Thank you so much, my African people. So I will come. Yes, you can come. You'll find me here in Kenya. If I will not go to Jamaica before August, you will find me here. Because after August, I'm going to Uganda. I am going to Zanzibar, Tanzania. Going there, Uganda, Nigeria. Yes. Ramramj. What do you mean by Ramramj? Those who are joining, thank you and welcome. What do you mean? Thank you so much, my baby. You're welcome. You're welcome. Like and subscribe the live. Like and subscribe to this live. Like and subscribe this live to this live. Hi Sydney. Hi, how are you doing? Thank you so much for joining. Kindly like and subscribe if it's your first time. Yes, our target is to hit 5,000 subscribers tonight. All tomorrow we are not going live. If we don't hit to at 5,000 subscribers, we will have to wait until Monday. Yes. Hi, Damana, Musa, Mubarak. Hi. Good. I'm happy that you are good, my love. Sydney, I am happy that you're good. Let's continue liking and subscribing. I know many people are out shopping, but they will join us later. It's still early. It's 9:50. It's 8:51. Still early. Yes, a popular English slogan and faces for Lord Ram. Ram Ram Ji. Jang Shri Ram. But if you tell me like that, me, I won't understand even one. Those are your slogans, not our slogans. I won't be able to understand. Because me, I'm a Kenyan. I only understand English, Swahili, and Kamba. Those are the only languages that I can understand. Hi, Collins. Thank you so much for joining. Welcome, like the live. Please send me WhatsApp number. I don't have a WhatsApp number. Just go and follow me on my Instagram. I am Claudia Walks. Go follow me on Instagram. I am Claudia Walks. There you will get me if you want to communicate to me. India is very famous. It's okay. I know India is very famous in many areas, but if you give me the tickets, I'll come because you have requested me to come there. Love you. I love you too. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Those who are joining, thank you. Thank you so much. Subscribe if it's your first time, eh? Subscribe if it's your first time. Subscribe if it's your first time. Thank you for those who are liking, those who are subscribing. I can see people are subscribing. And thank you so much. I appreciate. Another question? Another question? We continue. Another question, we continue. Being on Saturday, I know a lot of people are so busy. But we appreciate God for the ones we have here. Thank you so much for joining. We have Emmanuel. Hi, good evening. Hi, good evening to you too, Emmanuel. How are you doing today? Okay, thank you so much, my friend. Thank you to we have Max Gemma. It is good to be alone for success. Definitely, it's good to be alone for success. And when you want to succeed in life, don't tell people your plans. No, not unless that one close friend you trust. But you guys, nowadays, you don't have to trust friends. Yes, you don't have to. You don't have to tell people your plans, all what to do next. You can tell them after you have succeeded. But when you have started, just remain quiet, do your thing, and then let the success talk. Let the success talk. Thank you so much, Mr. Nelson. Be blessed. Be blessed. Be blessed. Be blessed. We appreciate your love, your support, and everything here. You have that is from Shera. Oh, I can't see the name clear. Let me read the comment. You have love every comfortable for me. Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate. Shfia, hi, I love you. I love you too. Thank you. I love you too. Thank you. Welcome. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mr. Nelson. Feel blessed. We appreciate. So I was trying to say this. If you want to succeed in some areas, you need to be alone sometimes. Let me give you a secret with me. Right now, no one knows what I'm planning to do. No one knows what next. It's only me and my God. If it's a project I'm doing, I will start doing the project until it succeeds. That's when maybe I'll tell my close friends and also maybe whoever I feel like. And when I feel like I am comfortable to speak it out, that's when I will talk about it. But when I'm starting, I can't tell anyone. And that's me. And that's me. So it's always to be alone when sometimes you need to succeed. And also remember, it will depend. It will also depend. Because in some things you want to do, you also need some friends. Emmanuel, much love too. Thank you so much. You not pin India flag in your. I did not pin my Indian flag. I think it's there. Indian flag, I think it's there. William, hi, good evening. Claudia, good evening to you. How are you doing, my love? How are you doing? And thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for joining. Like the live and also subscribe. Our target is to get to 5,000 subscribers. Tomorrow we are not going to have live. It's my day to rest. Tomorrow I am not going live, so we'll meet on maybe on Monday. And also please pin next time. Okay, I'll pin. And thank you so much for reminding me. I won't forget. And also tomorrow I might upload a video. And then just an update that I had said that I will travel tomorrow and give you an update of the farm, how it's doing. But tomorrow I won't be able to travel because of unavoidable circumstances. So you will bear with me until I go there the coming weekend, or maybe weekdays. So though sometimes weekdays I'm a bit busy. Another question. Comment as we continue. Subscribing and liking. Our target is only 5,000 subscribers, and we are at 4847. Hi Jacob, thank you so much for joining. We are at 4847. So we need around 153. And I think by Monday or tomorrow people will have subscribed. Sunday is fun day. Definitely Sunday is a fun day, but I personally love sleeping. So on Sundays when I'm not going out, I just need time with me and myself to recharge for the next week. Okay? Yes. When I'm not going outside, I'm just indoors, relaxing. Sometimes we need to rest. Thank you for those who are joining. Like and subscribe if it's your first time. Like and subscribe if it's your first time. So for those who are joining, tomorrow we will not be having live. Davis. Kwambale Davis. Hi, my love. How are you doing? Thank you so much for joining. First time here. Welcome. Subscribe. Tomorrow will not be having any live until Monday, but I might post a video. I thought the video is there, but not edited. Me, I'm lazy in editing some videos. So that's why I prefer going live. Editing videos is not easy. You need someone who is very idle. You mean you hobbies is definitely I love sleeping. I love sleeping. It's not like I love sleeping, but it's just to rest after having a very busy week. So what do you want me, William? What do you want me to do on Sundays? To go out have fun? I'm good there. Maybe you there. I am okay. I thank God. Hi Francis, how are you doing? How are you doing, Mr. Francis? Welcome. Sleeping is not bad. Do you have agricultural land? Yes, I have. Go and watch my previous videos I've been posting. Go and watch my previous video that I've been posting. Yes. Ask me any other question. Ask me any other question. James, mambo poa sana. James, uko aje? But why do you look beautiful? Because God has blessed me. And thank you so much. God has blessed me with beauty. God has blessed me with beauty. James Obati, are you single? I am not single. I am married to YouTube. I am married to YouTube. William, me after church, I do the same like you. Definitely our body needs to relax. Our bodies need to relax. John, hi John, thank you so much. Wow, thank you so much. Where are coming from? Aki. Kenya, Africa, Nairobi. Kenya, Africa, Nairobi. Aha. Woo. Zembambua. What do you mean? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah, I am single for me. You are single? I thought you were my husband. How single are you? And you guys, you are my husband. Steve, can I get someone like you? Yes, you can get someone like me. You can get someone like me. But me, it's rare to get. Me, it's rare to get. You want someone like me? Yes, you can get, but you can't get Claudia. Someone who is like me. That's good. Okay. You believe in Lord Shifa. What do you mean? Tell me your husband's name. YouTube. If you want to know my husband's name is YouTube. My husband's name is YouTube. Embet Tedese. I love you. I love you too. Thank you so much. Like and subscribe if it's your first time. If it's your first time, kindly like and subscribe. Let's continue. Yes, I said my husband's name is YouTube. Yes, this YouTube. YouTube. Thank you so much for those who are liking, subscribing. Yo, thank you. You're so amazing. By that, I have liked, even you have said that. And what do you like mostly? In terms of what I like mostly, in terms of what? Because I like many things. I like many things, including even you. Let me know. Do you have a husband? Yes, I have a husband who is YouTube. My husband name is YouTube. Victor, hi. Victor, hi Mambo. How are you? How are you doing, Mr. Victor? YouTube. How are you, Mr. Victor? Thank you so much for those who are joining. Are you married? Yes, I am married. And my husband's name is YouTube. Yes, I am married and my husband's name is YouTube. Another question you want me to answer? You want to marry me? You want to marry me? You want to marry me? For those who are sending the love emojis, thank you so much. When I see those love emojis, oh, I feel so nice because they mean so much to me. They mean a lot to me. Continue liking like that. Continue tapping. Do you have a child? You as my husband, you have not given me a child. You as my husband, you have not given me any child. Sam, hi Sam, how are you doing? Welcome. John, you look good. You look lovely. Thank you so much, my love. Thank you. For those who are sending the love emojis, oh, thank you. Let's continue tapping the love emojis. Let's continue tapping the love emojis. Thank you so much, Mr. John. Thank you so much, Mr. John. Yes, we are 21. Can we subscribe if you have not subscribed? Can we subscribe if you have not subscribed? We are at 4850 now. We are at 4850. Can we get to 4860 now? Subscribe, we get to 4860. Subscribe, we get to 4860 now. We are at 4850. You are so kind. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. I have to be kind to everyone. And that's how I've been raised. Eh? I like mostly girls like you. Why? Me? Why me? You have never met me. Let me know why. Why do you have girls? Why do you like girls like me? And you have said mostly. Guys, you're so funny. You guys, you are so funny. Mm-hmm. You know what? Just James, how can I meet you? But I'm always here. I'm always on Instagram. I'm everywhere. Claudia works. Can you help us find someone like you? My God, me, I don't know. I don't know how I am. Just come to Kenya, get yourself a nice lady. We have beautiful girls here in Kenya. Come, get them. They are here everywhere. They are everywhere. Samuel Mwaniki. Hi, Mwaniki. How are you doing? Thank you so much for joining. Like, subscribe if it's your first time. Join the family. Join the family. Our aim is to get to 5,000 subscribers. 5,000 subscribers. Like I want to greet you. Come and greet me. I'm in Nairobi. Come and greet me. I'm in Nairobi. Let's get to 30 likes, guys. Let's get to 30 likes. Now, who has unsubscribed? Who has unsubscribed? All is it because I've said I'm married to YouTube and my husband is YouTube? Now we have gone back to 48, 49. You guys, you don't want us to grow? You guys, you don't want us to grow? Subscribe. One subscriber will get to 4850. Thank you. We are at 4850 now. Thank you. Whoever has subscribed right now, feel blessed. May blessings follow you this year. May you never lack. Nairobi, probably where? Where do you know Nairobi? Where do you know Nairobi? Where do you know Nairobi? Can you advise us about a relationship? Marry at your own risk. Victor, advice from me about relationships? Marry at your own risk. That's what I can tell you. I don't know whether people nowadays are serious with marriage. The king. Hi, the king. Welcome. The queen is here. King, the queen is here. Like the live and subscribe. Something about relationship. Are you married? I said my husband's name is YouTube. My husband's name is YouTube. John. Utawala, Pipeline, Karen, and many places. So unajua huko niko sio Kimao. It's okay, John. I hope you understand. I hope you understand. I hope you understand. War Room Animation. I lived Nairobi, Isili in 1993. 1993? That is 20? Not 20, 30, 35, 32 years back. 32 years back. Today Isili is unrecognizable. Yes. Because of those commercial hubs, those malls, big malls, so developed. Isili has grown to a big town. If you don't know Isili, guys, you have been watching me. If you don't know Isili, go and watch my videos. If you don't know Isili, go and watch my videos. Those streets are so busy, full of Somali people, full of Somali people. But for real, you look beautiful and what? Thank you. Thank you, beautiful and what? Beautiful and what? Do you live in Kenya, right? Yes, I'm in Kenya. I'm along Mombasa Road. I am along Mombasa Road. I watched your video on Isili. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You can see how Isili has changed. You can see how Isili has really changed. And Isili is where we have the biggest mall in East and Central Africa. BBS Mall. No, you are lying. Why are you telling single people that marriage is not a good thing? I personally did not say marriage is not a good thing. I said marry at your own risk. Because marriage comes with its own consequences. Okay? Me, I accepted being married by you guys. YouTube. But on the other side, marry at your own risk. Nowadays with marriage, people are not serious. Lamin Diallo, hi my love, thank you so much for joining. Hi. And can I have go follow me on my Instagram. I can talk to you there. But I say that as long as you go to my Instagram, you text me, just have respect. Because there are some kind of things I don't reply to. I am that strict woman. You bring nonsense there, I block you. So guys, Kenneth, me, I did not say people not marry. People should go and marry and enjoy the marriage, but let them marry at your own risk. Because me, I cannot advise anyone about relationships. Get into relationship at your own risk. If you get at broken, don't crying to us. Someone was crying here the other day. The girlfriend is not talking to him. He is broken. He has done this and that. Get into a relationship when your mind is ready. Get into relationship when your mind is ready. And make sure it's something that will lead to marriage. You can see me, I am happy. I'm glowing. I am glowing. YouTube is taking good care of me as my husband. Okay? Yes. Do you advise us to get married all single? I can't give, if you do know that people have different choices. If you want to get married, just go and marry. If you want to remain single, just remain single and enjoy life. I agree with you that marriage has many consequences, but we have to go on with, yes, but make sure you marry when you are ready, when your mind is settled, when you are financially stable, because nowadays women, they are after money. When you have money, you broke, no relationship. We have Sam. Hi beautiful, hi handsome, how are you doing? Advise single people now. Single people, remain single until you are ready to get into a relationship. Make sure you are stable enough. Make sure you are stable enough to make sure that when you get into those relationships, even those marriages, you don't have to get yourself into trouble. Because your wife will need man to do hair, and you know nowadays ladies are not doing anything for themselves because they are married. The man has to take full responsibility. Full responsibility of the house. So hair needs to be done, clothes, nails, and everything in the house. It's you as a man. Okay, so make sure when you're going to a relationship, marriage, you are stable, you are financially stable. And nowadays women are not doing 50-50. If you are doing 50-50, it means that you are two men in that house. You are a woman and you are two men. Because I don't see any reason as to why a woman should provide 50-50 with you. You are not equal. Yes, a woman who has brain will help you where he can. And like where she is capable of. helping without being forced to. Okay? But make sure you have something in your pocket. I think I've skipped some comments, eh? Keep supporting, subscribe, like, and share, comment, follow. Yes, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Keep on liking, subscribing, and sharing. Hi, Gabriel. Thank you so much for joining. We have Sam. I'm fine, and you? I am okay. I thank God. And I'm happy to see you here. Can you share some experience with us about relationship? You want me to share my... I've said that I cannot advise anyone about relationship. Maybe there are good relationship and bad relationship. I personally, myself, Claudia, I am married to YouTube. And that's why I've said that because I am married to YouTube, YouTube is taking good care of me. I can eat healthy food, I can glow, I can take myself to the salon to do my nails, whatever. I buy what I want. So, yes, that's a good and healthy relationship. But me, when you're talking of other relationship, I don't know how about yours. I said that each and every relationship comes with its come with its own challenges. Sorry, comes with its own challenges. So me, I cannot advise about any relationship. Get into relationship at your own risk. Ochingo Okwenjuku. Hi, my love. Thank you so much for joining. Kindly like and subscribe. Please call my name 3 times. My dad, Philip Ruto, times as we enjoy our supper with our family. We are watching you. Kenneth's dad, Philip Ruto. Enjoy your supper. I love you guys. I love you guys so much. You said that you are not married. I would like to marry you. Me? I said I am married to YouTube. YouTube is my husband. And you guys, you are my husbands. I am your wife. Okay? Don't forget that I said I am married to YouTube. YouTube is my husband. And you guys, you are my husbands. I am your wife. Guys, we good. Yes, we are good. Just continue liking and subscribing. Me, I did not say that I am not married. I did not, don't mistake me. I did not say that I am not married. YouTube has married me. I've been into that marriage for how many years? 3 years now. 3 years now. And I'm doing very good. I am doing very good. Andrew, I am in love with your sincerity and I will take care of you all the way, no doubt. Thank you so much. You can see my husbands? You can see my husbands? Yes. YouTube is my husband. You being my husband. You need to take good care of your home and here. Dauda, good to hear from you, pretty angel. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. YouTube is not a husband. But for me, it's a husband. For me, it's a husband. And I love my husband so much. I really love my husband so much. I really love my husband so much. I hope you have subscribed. You guys, as you comment, make sure you have subscribed. Andrew, are you tall? You are asking me how I'm tall. I am 5. Is it 5'3"? I am 5'3". Me, I'm not that tall. I am 5'3". Can come make samadi. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. So you mean YouTube is your husband? Definitely my husband is YouTube. My husband is YouTube. What do you do? What do you mean? Can you help me get married with our sister, please? Can you help me get married with our sister? Which sister? Here. If there is sister here, Victor is here, wants you. Voice Queen Chikusia Sosoro. Hi, thank you so much for joining. My darling on YouTube. Thank you so much, my love. Thank you so much, my love. That is from Dahuda. Do you have children with YouTube? You have not given me children. You have not given you children. Instead of us going to make babies, we are here with you. Yes. Let's get to 4853, guys. Let's get to 4853. Our target is 5. Don't forget, we are just vibing. Let's get to 5,000. What I mean, love, 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 love too. Thank you. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe. We are at 4850. Hey, today we are going slowly, man. Today we are going very slow. Very slow. Today we are very, very strong. Slow, guys. Can we subscribe? Can we get 4860? Gun racing, please fill me in Uganda and Burkina Faso, Africa. Did a whole man step down? That whole man has not stepped down completely. That old man, M7, has not yet stepped down. And I can't see my Ugandan people here. I've just seen one person. It means that the network is not yet back. It means that the network is still not back. So we just keep on praying for them. And a lot of people died during the elections in Uganda. So I hope all my subscribers were safe and are safe. Today, guys, we are moving slowly. We are not subscribing. Why? Honey, what are your really names? I am Claudia. I am Claudia. We are coming from Jamaica to have a diplomatic chat with him. Yes, you better come. You better come. You better come to have a conversation with him and tell him whatever he is doing, it's not the right way. There is constitution. So they should follow that. Can you give me a YouTube engagement ring? I am in love with you, my princess. Yes. Yes. Can you show others the way? Can you show others the way to go? Dauda. So today I'm not seeing my Ugandan people here. I've seen only one. It means that they have no internet. All power. A lot of shit is happening in that country. So let's pray for them. Let's pray for them. Love. How are you doing, my love? How are you doing, my handsome? How are you doing? How are you doing? How are you doing? Thank you so much for the love, for the support. I hope you guys, you have subscribed. I hope you have subscribed. I hope you have. We only need 6 subscribers. Guys, our target is to get to 5,000 subscribers. We are at 4854. Can we get 4860? We need only 6 subscribers. We get to 4860. I know you're watching this video and you have not subscribed. Subscribe, okay? It's free. It's very, very free. Very, very free. Yes, watching this video and you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe. Then again, supernatural cosmic natural power might be the way to settle thing in Uganda. Me, I don't know. You know, each country has got its own ways of doing their things, So maybe there are some rules that they follow as we don't follow. So let them do their thing the way they have been doing for the last 40 years. I do know that even if that guy steps down right now, his son will take over. His son will take over. Love you. I love you more. Thank you. Thank you so much. Guys, subscribe. Subscribe if you are watching this video and you have not subscribed. People are coming, joining, liking, and then not subscribing, kindly subscribe. Remember, our aim is to get to 5,000 subscribers. We need to replace the subscribers we lost last year. Show me love, my queen, mama. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'll show you some love. Maybe later here. Stick here. Come and I will give you everything you need in life. What do I need in life? Gabriel, what do I need in life? God has blessed me. He has given me life. I am breathing. I'm waking health every day morning, very healthy. So what are you giving me? 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 Maybe you have something special. I don't know. But the air that I'm breathing, God has given me. I appreciate it. I think that's all what I need for now. Everything I need in life. I don't know whether I like everything in life. I am okay. I am okay, my dear Gabriel. I don't know, but whatever you will say in Uganda. Oh, another person in Uganda. So we have to. I didn't know that you're watching from Uganda. So we have 2 people from Uganda. Let us know the situation in Uganda, because most of my subscribers are not here today. Every day I have like 10 from Uganda, but now today I don't see anyone from Uganda. Subscribe, guys, as you join. Woo, the comments are going too fast. I've responded to that. Let's continue to the rest. I don't know, but what you will. I've said that. We know if talk won't do, then Obia will do. You like Obia. Can Maka Samad, you like Obia? Where? I don't know if Uganda they have Obia like we did in Asian Jamaican. In past they used to practice Obia. Obia is like witchcraft, voodoo. Ask the French and the British government. Okay, I didn't know if they do that, but not every country that practices witchcraft. Not all the countries that practice witchcraft. Please, my queen mama, how old are you? I wish I knew my age. Honestly, I wish I knew my age. I could have told you before. I love you. That is from First Quiz. You do. The name is so hard. William, I wonder if my network poor. Your network good. That John, good night. Thank you so much. Good night. Be blessed. From Kenya. That is from Alvin. I am from Kenya too. Feel loved. Amadu Derek. Good evening, my guy. I am not a guy. I am Claudia Works. I am a girl. I am a woman. Come on. Jose. Hi, Claudia. What about you? Me, I am pretty good. I thank God. I am blessed today, and I'm really, really proud to have you here today. I love you, but UG is fine. Election is over, and we are fine, though. Though what? We need to know that, though. Because there is something you are not telling us. There is something you are hiding from us. You better tell me. Remember, we are Africans. We are one. We need to be one. We need to support each other. Alvin, where? I'm in Nairobi, Kenya. Yes, I am Africa. Hobia is African science, and we need to use it when it's time to use it. Does it work? Can Marcus Amadi, does Obia work? Have you ever done it before? Have you experienced it before? Let us know. Comment down below. Me, I've never seen someone doing that. I just hear. So if I can get someone in Kenya, I can as well go and see how it goes. And then show you how it goes. But me, I fear those things. Let me tell you, I fear. I love you. That is from Gabriel. I love you too. That Dauda, I cannot be okay without you, pretty. Come for me. I'm in Kenya, Africa. Come for me. Send those tickets. I come where you are. Alvin, Kenya, where niko hapa Nairobi, jamani. I'm in Nairobi. I'm also from Uganda. Now the third person from Uganda. I can see that now Uganda network has come back. Uganda network is back. I can see now 3 people from Uganda. 3 people from Uganda. Victor, hi my love. Thank you so much for joining. Subscribe if it's your first time. Subscribe, like the video, and also share with your friends. Those who are sending me love emojis, I appreciate a lot. Those who are sending me the love emojis, They mean a lot to me. They mean a lot to me. Yes, it work. It belongs to us. Do you fear Western region? Yes, Mosul, West Africa. Mosul, West Africa. Those guys, Nigerians, Ghana, they practice for Obia a lot, a lot, a lot. Like me, I don't know whether it's whatever I normally see on the movies, but I believe and hear they practice it a lot. We have Kasinye, Kiaruarie Kasinye, I from Uganda, the fourth person from Uganda. The first person from Uganda, feel at home, welcome, like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So me, I don't know if you have ever experienced that in your country. Does your country practice witchcraft? Voodoo, hobby? Because Ken Marcus Ahmad said that Uganda, you should practice those things so that you can get that whole man out of that seat. Farouk Karuma, how are you? I'm Ugandan. Hey, Uganda, the network is back. Now Ugandan network is back. Thank you so much, my Ugandan people. Ugandans talk to me. Ugandans talk to Ken Marcus Ahmad. Tell Kamadi if you practice those things. Yes, requesting you do hobby to remove that M7 in that seat. Do you fear Western region? Me, I fear a lot. I fear a lot. I am Claudia. I am from Uganda. Precious is from Uganda. Uganda network is back. Thank you, my Ugandan people. Thank you, my Ugandan people. Share with your friends. Share in your status. Yes, they should. But me, most of people are Christians. Ken Marcus Samadi. Not all people believe in those things. Some are Christian. Some even if they are not Christian, they don't practice those things. So, like in Kenya, it's very rare. In Kenya, it's very, very rare. Not unless there are some places which I don't know, they do those things. But I will do my own research to know if they are there and if they still exist. Because if I find that they still exist, I honestly will do a video. But I'll need to get someone to take me there. Because I fear for my life. I love myself and I fear. I'm Victor Ugandan, but this time I'm in UAE. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Victor. I am happy to see you here. Feel blessed. Let's build things, build this family together. We are trying to build this small family to be a big family. I'm Emma from Uganda. Oh, thank you so much, Emma. Feel loved. From Kenya, Africa. We love you. We love you so much. And if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe. Let's get to 5,000 subscribers. 5,000 subscribers. Let's continue, guys. Let's continue liking and subscribing. 2 likes, we get to 40 likes. 4 subscribers, we get to 40-60. Thank you so much for the love emojis. I appreciate a lot. I appreciate a lot. Vu, Sanem. Okay, I will be using Vu. I don't know whether I'm pronouncing it correctly. Some words are too hard for me to pronounce. If you are new here, kindly subscribe. If you're watching for the first time, kindly also like and subscribe. We have Jeremy. Hi, Jeremy. How are you doing, my love? Thank you so much for joining. We have Robel Feshie. Thank you so much. Yes, you are a very, very beautiful young lady. Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate that. I appreciate that a lot. Gabriel, do you have kids? You guys, you are my husbands. You have not given me kids. How do I have to say that I have kids and you have not given me kids? You as my husbands. We have David from David Carrero, Kenya here. Oh, Makofi. Thank you so much, my Kenyan people, Uganda people, and whoever is watching this live, thank you so much. Thank you so much. We are building the family. I love you too. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. The British destroyed your country with Western region. Definitely, they destroyed. But as I said in one of the lives, we need to go back to the roots. We need to go back to our roots. Let's find ourselves where we got lost. Let's learn our culture. Let's learn our heritage. Have I skipped anyone comment? Anyone comments? I am based in, love you, I love you too. I am based in Abuja. Lugbe, I don't know the name, Airport Road. Oh, thank you so much, my dear. Feel at home. Subscribe if it's your first time. We have Mtunde. Do you tire repa? What do you mean? Okay, Bendel. What do you mean? Come talk to me, Uganda. Can any of you reach? Ugandan people, comment down below. Amadu wants to talk to you. Can Marcus Amadu wants to talk to you? Do you practice obia in your country, Uganda? That is what Ahmad wants to know. If you practice obia, like witchcraft in Uganda. You know, Ahmad is a traditional man, a tradition person. He normally likes what our great grandfathers, mothers used to do those things long time ago. Love you too. Thank you. Ugandan people, where are you? Come talk to Amadi. Come talk to Amadi. We only need 3 subscribers. We get to 4860. We only need 2 likes. We get to 40 likes. Our target is to get to 5,000 subscribers. Peter, hi pretty baby. I'm from Nigeria. I love to marry from you. Yes, you have to go to Uganda to get a wife. But you Peter, you need a Kenyan woman. You need a Kenyan woman. Me, I'm from Kenya, so you need a Kenyan one. Okay, Kenyan one. Thank you. Now, Peter, Emma is here. Emma is from Uganda. Emma is from Uganda. Emma, do you practice witchcraft? You guys, do you practice witchcraft in Uganda? Ahmad wants to know. But do you love me? Me, I love you. Definitely, I love you. How can I fail to love my husband? Lauren Alfred. Hi, my love. How are you doing? Thank you so much for joining. Claudia is the bridge to the east and the west. And that's a very wonderful thing. Yes. That's what we are trying to do. You can see we have Nigerians, we have Ghana, we have Zimbabwe, Malawi, we have Ethiopia, Eritrea, Tanzania. We have my Ugandan brothers and sisters here. We are trying to be one thing. We support each other. Yes, I need Kenyan like you, but you can't get a Kenyan like me. Claudia is very unique. Claudia is very unique. So maybe you say that you just want a Kenyan girl, but not Claudia, not like Claudia, because someone else cannot be like me. Me, I am unique. Yes. We don't in Jamaica. So, you don't practice witchcraft. You practice in Jamaica. You practice obia. Stop lying. You do in Caribbean. Even Haiti, they have celebrations every year. Wearing those red clothes. I watched a video. Hi, Brian. Thank you so much for joining. Like the live and subscribe. Alfred, hi. We have Vor. Hi. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, my loves. Thank you, my darlings. You are so amazing. If it's your first time, like and subscribe. It is free. Subscribe. Those who are joining right now, kindly subscribe and like the live. We also, Nigeria, come and talk to me. We might be related. Nigerians, your brother is here. Nigerians, your brother is here, Hamadi. Kisses for me, please. Thank you. Those who are joining right now, thank you so much. Subscribe if it's your first time. If it's your first time, subscribe. Subscribe if it's your first time. Williams, me, I want to marry from Kenya. Thank you so much. Come and meet beautiful women from Kenya. You will get one. Yes, we do in Jamaica. Hobby are big, very big, very big. And the reason why they practice it is because they moved with it from Western Africa during the movement, during what we call it, transatlantic slave trade. They moved with all their culture, whatever, their witchcraft, they took it up to Caribbean. And that's why it's there. And it's a lot. These guys, they practice a lot. But you, yes, I do. Gabriel, Yoji, we love you so much. Connect me to any Kenyan who is not a witch. Kenyans are not witch. We don't practice those things here. Here in Kenya, we don't practice those things. A lot of people here are Christians. Hi, Vivi. Thank you so much for joining. Welcome, my love. Make sure to like the live. So Gabriel, not that Kenyans women are so pure, clean. They don't practice those things. Amadi has said that it's only in Jamaica, Caribbean. They practice a lot. They took it from western part of Africa. Western Africa. Those who are sending love emojis, thank you so much. Williams, Kenyans, talk to me. If there is any Kenyan here, Kenyan lady, Williams wants to talk to you. We are 26. Can you continue liking and subscribing? We are right now 26. Let's continue liking and subscribing. Kenyan women, just type, hi William. William is here to watching you. Okay, connect me to anyone. Send me any number. Me, I don't do that. I don't connect people. This is not a dating site, number one. This is not a dating site. If you want a Kenyan woman, just come to Kenya. It's called hide and leak when they don't want others to know. Definitely. Do you know that some countries, they don't like disclosing their secrets? I am here, Gabriel. Thank you, Gabriel. Vivi is here. Gabriel, Vivi is here. You see now? Gabriel, Vivi is here. Let you say that I've not given you a Kenyan girl. Vivi is here. We have Joseph. Hi, Joseph. How are you doing? How is Kenya? Kenya is okay. We have Victor. Hello, Victor. Gabu, Vivian. Vivian, are you serious? Vivian, confirm. Are you serious? Sally Folamiro. Hi. Those who are joining right now, kindly subscribe. Yes, and like. We are 29. Let's continue subscribing. Give me your contact. Okay. Vivian and Gabriel, get to know each other. If you have Instagram account, if you have Facebook account, go and connect from there. I think Gabriel have helped me personally as a person, as a woman. I've helped you where I can. People practice obia in Kenya too, just as Jamaica do. All African practice voodoo. No, here we don't practice voodoo. Here we don't practice voodoo here in Kenya. And the day I will know that they practice those things, honestly, I'll do a video and share it with you. I'll share it with you. Gabriel Vivi is very serious. Thank you so much. Ooh, Gabu has gotten a Kenyan woman now. Ooh, Makofi. John, why? Why what? Nora. Hi, Nora. Thank you so much for joining, my love. Like and subscribe, Nora. Like and subscribe, Nora, if it's your first time. For those who are sending those love emojis, thank you. Thank you so much. I said that they mean a lot to me. Yeah, your contact, please. Okay. Vivi, Gabriel will do everything you want in life. This guy is very rich. This guy will promise you and give you everything on earth that you need. Teresia Joel, hi Kaswiti, how are you doing, Kaswiti? We are 30. Let's continue liking and subscribing, guys. I would love you for serious. It's okay. Vivian, get in touch with Gabriel. Thank you so much. We are 30. Let's continue liking and subscribing. We are all the Africans come and talk. Definitely, I will do a research. I'll do a research, and if I find a place or a community that they do voodoo and all witchcraft, I'll share it with you, the video. I'll share with, even not sharing with you, I'll come and put it here so that everyone can watch and know what happens and what goes on in Africa. Tofaramoyo. Hi, my love. Thank you so much for joining. Victor, give me one. I need some who understanding my mind. How is your mind? Let us know how is your mind. You need someone who understands your mind. How is your mind? How is your mind? Let's continue subscribing and liking, guys. Let's continue liking and subscribing. Okay, Gabriel, I will look for you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Vivian will look for you. Vivian will look for you. Guys, we are at 4860. We are at 48. Remember, our goal is to get to 5,000 subscribers. Now we only need 140 subscribers. We get to 5,000. We are at 4860. Let's get to 4870 now. Let's get to 4870 now. I love my Conendo woman. Thank you. Thank you so much. Joseph, thank you. Can you connect me to some lady with 6 children? My dear, this is not a dating site. We are just vibing. But me, I'm not connecting anyone. John, I like you and I'm serious. You like me? Me, I'm married to YouTube. YouTube is my husband. I am married to YouTube and YouTube is taking good care of me. Vivian, you are so beautiful. You see now? Gabriel, your Vivian will be taken by John. Not by John, by Tofaramoyo. I will love you for God. I will love you for God's sake. Woo! Okay. Okay. We are 29. Can we continue liking and subscribing? Let's get to 4870. We are at 4861. I said that our aim is to get to 45,000 subscribers by tomorrow. 5,000 subscribers tomorrow. We only need 139. 139 only. And then I said that if you need us to discuss about anything, bring the topic here, we'll discuss. Bring the topic here, we'll discuss. Or if you have any question, you can ask me. People, this channel is for us to learn. So stop with the trivial things and let's teach each other. It's not all about women. Definitely, this is not a dating site. But sometimes you have to vibe. It's allowed. No, Vivian, you mind? Please do some and connect me very fast. Okay, it's okay. Now we are trying to unite here. Remember, Africans, we have lost ourselves. We have forgotten ourselves. We have forgotten where we come from. We have forgotten where we are heading to. We have forgotten who we are. Can we unite and go back to our roots? Can we be one? Can we go back to our culture and stop that Western thing? Guys, I need you to check up on your screens and like something looking like this. make sure it's blue. Something looking like this, make sure it's blue. If you're watching on a phone, and if you click once and it does not turn blue, just double tap it. Ta ta ta. Okay? Okay? Yes, check if it's blue. If you're watching on your phone, check if it's blue. If it's not blue, just double tap the screen to like. Just double tap the screen to like. If you have any question, you can ask. If you have any question, you can ask. Yes, you can see we are back. Just make sure it's blue. Something looking like this. Make sure it's blue. Just And if you click once, it does not turn blue, click twice. Like that. Yes, let's continue subscribing, guys. Let's continue subscribing. I hope I'm not skipping anyone's comment. I hope I'm not skipping anyone's comment. Mwanga Joel, hi my love, how are you doing? How are you doing? And thank you so much for joining. Those are joining right now, kindly subscribe if it's your first time. We are saying that you like. Up on your screen, if you're watching through a phone, check if this thing looking like this, if it's blue. If it's not blue, just know that you have not liked the live. Just double tap it. Obwenze chukwemeka. What is opar? I don't know. You tell us. Tell us. Tell us what is it? Is it all what it is? I am going to start cursing out all of you African viewers because they all seems what? One track minded. Can you guys teach something about your country? One thing about Kenya, let me talk about my country. Kenya is so beautiful. Kenya is so magic. You better come to Kenya. We have everything that you would love to see in this world. Okay? Love. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my dear. Thank you so much. Ask any question, subscribe. Also tell your friends that we are live. If it's your first time, subscribe and like. We are at 4862. We only need 8 subscribers. 8 subscribers, we get to 4870. Only 8 subscribers, we get to 4870. Check if you have subscribed. Check if you have liked the live. So Amadi, that's how beautiful our country is. I love your hair. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Vivi. I have finished, Steven. What do you mean you have finished? Love. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Let's continue subscribing, guys. Meltimido, how are you? How are you? You guys, can you ask me any question or you bring a topic we discuss? We have few minutes and then we end the live. But not go. Don't go to sleep today. Tomorrow is on a weekend. Today is on Saturday. Tomorrow is on a Sunday. So I know most of people are not going anywhere. They will be sleeping like me. They will be sleeping like me. Let's continue liking, subscribing, guys. If any question you have, you can ask me. Any question you have, you can ask me. I am here. I am here to answer you. You my friends. You my family. You my husbands. Victor, first help me. With what? What do you want me to help you with? Pihar, I need you. I need you. Me, I'm already with YouTube. Me already with YouTube. Like and subscribe. Me already with YouTube. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Are you mad? Mad or married? I am married to YouTube. Yes. Me, I'm married to YouTube. YouTube is my husband. YouTube is my husband. Thank you so much for the likes. Thank you so much for the love emojis. We are at 4865. Can we get to 4870? Let's get to 4870. All we, oh guys, we get to 4900. We get to 4. I love you. I love you too, my love. I love you too, my love. Thank you so much for joining. If you're watching this video, it's your first time seeing me, kindly subscribe. Welcome to the community. Welcome to the family. We are trying to make this family bigger and better. Not you, it's your viewers. I can teach about Jamaica, but it's not about Jamaica, it's about Africa for me. But you see, like maybe most of the African countries, their people don't want to talk about their country. Maybe there's those terms and conditions. They should not talk about their country in social media. You know, one thing you should know is that you can't force anyone to speak about their country. You can't force anyone to speak about their country. But because me, I am a Kenyan and I'm a proud Kenyan, that's why I'm happy. I'm happy about our country. Change the country, please. To go to where? To go to where? I am a proud Kenyan. I am a very, very proud Kenyan. Those who are joining, Yoji, no. I love Kenya. I love Kenya so much. I love Kenya so much. Yes, I'll come to UG. I'll come to UG, but not to change my country, not to settle there. It's either I settle in Kenya or Jamaica. Jamaica is my second home. I love Jamaica so much. Beautiful country with amazing people. Yes. But in Africa, no. Let's continue subscribing, guys. Let's continue subscribing. Let's continue subscribing and liking. Let's continue subscribe and liking the live, guys. Let's get into 4670. 4670, guys. 4670. Subscribe if you're watching this video for the first time. Subscribe if you're watching this video for the first time. Our target is to get to 5,000 subscribers. Any question, guys? Any question you feel like you want to ask me? And not a tough question. We have a few minutes and then we end the live. So make sure to subscribe. Make sure to subscribe. like and share with your friends. Am I speaking anyone's comment? Emma, love Kenya more than Uganda. Kenya is a nice country, let me tell you. Kenya is so nice. What is your favorite meal in life? I don't have any favorite meal in my life. I don't have any favorite meal in my life. I am not fan of food. We have Lik Anye Peter. Hi, my love. Thank you so much for joining. Welcome, like, and subscribe if it's your first time. We have Mosisi Mike. Mike, hi. Thank you so much for joining. Like and subscribe if it's your first time. Let's continue liking and subscribing. Yes, when Claudia is winning, we are all winning. Remember, this is our YouTube channel. It's not for me alone. It's for us. We are family. We are family. You, my husband, me, your wife. We are family. So subscribe. 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 Subscribe, guys. How will I learn? I have never been to Africa. Tomorrow I will come to teach you about Africa. Amadi, tomorrow I will sacrifice myself to teach you about Africa. Okay? I promise you that. Tomorrow I'll come here to teach you about Africa. Everything that you want to know, Africa, their culture, their music, the tribes, what they practice, what they believe in, their relationship with each other, we will talk about that. I personally will sacrifice myself. I will sacrifice myself. Okay, bye. Bye for now. Those want to go to sleep, kindly go and sleep. I know it's late. It's 4 minutes past 10 here in Kenya, Africa. I don't know what's your time where you're watching me from. So, make sure as you go to sleep, make sure to subscribe. Make sure as you go to sleep to subscribe. So, Amadi, I'll teach you tomorrow. We only need 3 subscribers to get to 4870. Learn me, come here, learn. Yes, you will come here tomorrow to learn. The whole of this week I'll be teaching more about Africa. Africa and its countries. Remember, Africa is a continent that just many countries. So that's what we'll be talking about from tomorrow. From tomorrow. So be prepared to learn. Be prepared to learn, and also you yourself, Amadi, be ready to teach us more about the Caribbean. How we are related with you. How we are related with you. Maybe we can say that you are our brothers and sisters, and yet we don't know how we are related. So we will also be waiting to learn from you. Let's continue subscribing. Let's continue subscribing. Those who are watching for the first time, welcome, subscribe, and share with your friends. Tell them that Claudia Works is doing a live today. Thank you for those who are joining. Welcome all and subscribe. Welcome all and subscribe. We only need 3 subscribers to get to 4870. Check if you have subscribed. Before I end the live, check if you have subscribed. If not, so subscribe. 3 subscribers, we get to 4870, and then we head the live. Thank you so much. Usain, mambo poa sana, uko aje? Uko aje? Karibu sana. Like the live and also subscribe kama uja subscribe. Karibu sana if it's your first time. But Usain, nimekuwa nikikuona hapa. I've been seeing you here. Only 3 subscribers, then we end the live, we go to sleep, and then we say tomorrow is another day. Jennifer, hi. How are you, Jennifer? Niko poa, naambia wewe uko poa aje? Niko sawa, nashukuru. Niko sawa sana, nashukuru. Siku yako imekuwa aje? Siku yako imekuwa aje? Guys, let's subscribe. Subscribe. 3 subscribers, we get to 4870. All we say tomorrow is just another day. How? How, guys? Niko poa kabisa. Nashukuru sana kwa uko poa na nafurahi kukuona hapa. Mungu akubariki. Karibu kwenye hii live na tungependa kukuona hapa kila siku. Kwani wewe upo nchi gani? Mimi niko Kenya. Nairobi. I am a Ugandan, like your voice, you being with me. Emma, thank you so much. Jennifer, have you subscribed? Thank you so much, guys. I'm happy to see you here. Subscribe if it's your first time. Asante, nipo Tanzania, Songoe. Nafurahi sana kukuona hapa. Mungu akubariki na Mungu aendelee kuongezea uwezo wa kuwa nasi hapa kila siku. Tukue tunaweza wasiliana, tunaweza furahia kwa pamoja. Yes, hadi siku ambayo tutakapokutana ana kwa ana. Subscribe, guys, subscribe. That is Swahili I'm trying to speak. We need only 2 subscribers, we get to 4870. Oh, mimi niko hapa Tanzania, Mwanza. Oh, wa Tanzania, nashukuru sana, karibuni, asante sana, Mungu awabariki. Wa Tanzania, thank you so much, Tanzanians. Feel at home and I appreciate to see you here. You are so good. You are so amazing. Africans supporting Africans. That's all what we want. One Africa. Those who have joining and you have karibu sana. Those who have not subscribed, kindly subscribe. Those who have not subscribed, kindly subscribe. We only need 1 subscriber, we get to 4870. 1 subscriber, we get to 4870, and we will appreciate for today. 1 subscriber, we get to 4870, and then we call it a day. So check if you have subscribed. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Let's get to 4070. Leo naomba nipongeze dada. Nashukuru Hussein, nashukuru sana Hussein kwa kuwa pamoja nasi. Mungu akubariki na Mungu akupatie neema na uwezo wa kuwa nasi hapa, hata wa kutembea Kenya ambayo ni nzuri, kila mtu anayeipenda. Na pia mimi ningetamani sana kuja Tanzania niwatembelee. Let's support each other and very soon we are going to meet. Thank you so much. Asante sana Mr. Hussein. Let's get to 48. Kwani leo umesuka aje? Ni nywele. Leo nimechana nywele. Leo nimeamua kuchana nywele. Kwa Watanzania wengine Kiingereza ni ngumu kukielewa, ongea Kiswahili. Yes, kwa Watanzania mimi mwenyewe naongea Kiswahili, ndio maana. For those who don't know Tanzania, they don't understand English. Most of them, they don't understand English. That's why most of the time you hear me talking Swahili, English at the same time, to accommodate everyone. Upo vizuri sana. Asante sana, nashukuru. Thank you so much. Boy child, sasa mrembo, poa sana, uko aje? Wewe uko aje? Umesubscribe. Subscribe. Bonyeza hicho kidunde. subscribe, we get to 48.7. Only one subscriber and then we call it a day. Niko poa. Nashukuru sana kuwa uko sawa. Nafurahia sana kukuona hapa ukiwa na afya njema. Mungu akubariki. Those who are joining right now, kindly subscribe if it's your first time, eh? If it's your first time, subscribe. We only need one subscriber, we get 48.70. And then once we get to 47, we'll be able to end this live because we have been saying, we have stayed here for the last 1 hour, 30 minutes or so. Yes. Hii nakupongeza kwa kuongea Kiswahili, tupo pamoja dada. Asante sana. Asante sana, Mungu akubariki. Those who are joining, thank you. Those who are joining, thank you. Thank you so much. Those who want to go to sleep, please feel free and have a good night. Those who want to leave, to go to sleep, feel free, have a good night. Kwa wenye wanaotaka kwenda kulala, mimi mwenyewe nawatakia usiku mwema wenye baraka. Tuonane kesho kutwa, tuko wazima na Mungu azidi kutubariki. We are at 48.70. We are at 48.7 and thank you so much guys. Now I can go. Basi usiku mwema, kumbuka kusali. Asante sana pia wewe, kumbuka kusali, na nafurahia sana kwa kunikumbusha kusali. Mungu anakupenda na atakupenda zaidi na atakupenda kila wakati wowote ule. Na kwa lolote lile utakaofanya na kuombea upate mafanikio. Thank you so much guys for the love, for the support. Kwani unadai kwenda kulala? Ndio, mimi mwenyewe nataka kwenda kulala. Tulianza hii live mapema. I started this live like 1 hour 30 minutes ago, so I'd like to go to sleep. Today is on Saturday. It's 14 minutes past 10, so I need to go to sleep. And okay, Kamili, God bless. Much love from Kenya, Kakamega. Thank you so much for the love, for the support from western part of Kenya. I appreciate you so much. Be blessed. See you tomorrow, all the day after tomorrow. From where you're watching me from, guys, I want to take this opportunity to wish you a lovely night, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. From where you're watching me from, have a lovely night. See you tomorrow, all the day after tomorrow. Hi, John. Thank you so much for joining. Wambua Peter. Hello from Kihambu. William Maya. What time go to bed? Right now, I'm going to bed. And thank you so much for the love, for the support. Those who are, have a blessed night. Thank you so much. Oh, people are joining while we are going to sleep. For those who have missed today's live, kindly subscribe if it's your first time. For those who you have missed the live, see you tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, or Shanghai. Thank you so much. Subscribe. Yes, we are ending the live right now because we started earlier. Sleep well too. Thank you so much. I would love to wish you all the best from here where you are watching me from. Subscribe guys if it's your first time. Subscribe. WhatsApp number, go follow me. Nifuate kwa mtandao wa Instagram. Mimi naitwa Claudia Walks. Mtandao wa Instagram, Claudia Walks. You will get me there. So guys, bye for now. I love you so much. See you tomorrow. Bye.